So when I chose my apprenticeship, I weighed up my options as I had an interest within project management and the choice of different industries within pharmaceuticals, hospitality and IT. Ultimately, I chose an apprenticeship at AstraZeneca as I wanted to be part of an organisation that makes a difference to the world by helping patients. After looking at a few different pharmaceutical companies, AstraZeneca's views were most aligned with my own, and it made the most sense to come work here. My apprenticeship is within supply chain management, within the clinical supply chain, within biopharmaceutical development. I'm currently coming towards the end of my third year and working on my final year dissertation. So the role involves all aspects of clinical trial management, and this involves drug manufacturing, packaging, label and distribution, finance, sourcing, and the use of IT systems for modeling. So a lot of range of skills, and the role has given me opportunity to experience real life problems which can be discussed within my academic work. So apprenticeships weren't openly advertised in my school as they are now. So before actually applying to the apprenticeship, I had the intention of going to university. However, I took some time to relook at my options after results day, as I didn't get into my top choice and I had already started building a preference towards an apprenticeship. I'd found the AZ apprenticeship posted on the government website and immediately applied, as I saw it was a great opportunity, even though it was almost 3 hours away from my hometown. Since then, I've loved it. I'm happy I took the leap, and I'm really happy that they're more openly advertised, as honestly it's such a great scheme. So the COVID-19 pandemic was a drastic change to my way of working, as it was for many others. In my personal experience, the way of working was a big step up. I'd switched from training in person, after only being in the company for 6 months, to essentially having to meet over calls, adapting the way I worked, my workload was completed, and just training without that kind of extra support you'd be given if you were in the office. So in LCS, the supply chain function I work in, it was all hands on deck, and if you weren't supporting a vaccine study, you were supporting your buddy team, ensuring all the workload was spread out evenly and that all functions of the supply chain were running as usual. So after my apprenticeship, the plan is to gain some further experience within AstraZeneca, learning about the processes, about my current team and the pharmaceutical industry as a whole, and being able to apply sustainable working practices. This is an area of focus within my dissertation and has also led me to an interest of completing an MBA post-graduation.